Are you looking for a dark skin tutorial or a video to show you how you can make your makeup in 10 minutes? Here to sort you out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm called Tara. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. So guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to achieve a flawless dark skin makeup transformation. I started with the foundation. I chose a foundation that is dark. Yeah, I'm not so dark, but I chose a foundation that is dark, and it really matched with my skin color. I loved it. So I blended my foundation with a brush. Then I had to go in with a concealer. For the concealer, it has to be 2 times lighter than your skin color. Yeah, but if you don't want to be so light, you could choose a lighter, slightly lighter. Yeah, so I applied my concealer on the eyes, on the forehead, nose bridge, and the chin. So after that, I had to blend my concealer with a powder puff. I prefer using a powder puff because it's really good. It does it well. Oh my god, it really does it well. It blends everything so well and doesn't allow your concealer to look cakey. It blends it out so well, so as you can see. So after that, I had to apply blush on my cheeks. I prefer blending my blush with a beauty blender, though a brush could also work well, but I prefer using a beauty blender. Then I had to go in with a contour. I applied my contour on the jaw lines, applied it on both sides and also on my forehead. Yeah, so I had to blend my contour going upwards to my forehead. For the contour, if you're dark, please prefer using a dark shade, a darker shade, a dark shade. Yeah, hope with that I'm clear. So I braided my contour with a beauty brush. Then I had to apply setting powder on top of my concealer. Yeah, with my concealer, I used the other concealer, but it wasn't giving. I wanted it to be a little bit lighter, so I had to apply a lighter shade of my concealer. Yeah, that's why you see my under eyes are a little bit lighter. Then I had to contour my nose. Then I applied powder blush to give my face a glow, as you can see. For blush is optional, guys. If you're not a blush girl or you don't like blush, you can skip that part. You can leave it. You don't apply it. Yeah, but just to give a glow to your look, you can apply it, as you can see. Oh, so I applied glow on my nose. Then I went in with the lipstick. I used nude colors, and guys, excuse me, I applied eyeshadow for the eyes, guys, excuse me, but I had to do that off camera because I had no much time. But I have some videos on my channel, you can check them out for makeup. Yeah, I applied my setting spray. I love that part. You apply your setting spray, then you let it sit for some minutes, then you apply some powder, setting powder. That is it, guys. So if you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video. Love you.